Learning. Learning is the process that takes time and repetition for humans to have information from short-term memory to long-term memory, and it brings about competence. Learning involves connecting new information to existing information. Learning happens because of repetition. The more you keep memorizing, the longer information is stored. What makes ourselves to forget, or why do we forget? The most common reason why students forget is because the material is underlearned. Too much of vision materials is shortcut to learning. The most learners fear the fast content to reality and prefer materials which are short and summarized, lacking some information. The lack of information compromises the original information. Learners are advised to read the real content before doing the revised material. Lack of sleep or sleep deprivation is not getting enough sleep. Sleep is perhaps the greatest and appreciated cause of forgetfulness. After reading, take enough rest when sleeping at least 6 to 7 hours. Sleep deprivation, which often goes hand in hand with the periods of elevated stress, is a common cause of forgetfulness because it affects the brain's ability to store and recall memories. Stress and anxiety. Stress brings sedation or confusion, raising brain pressure. In this state, the brain can't hold new information and then the learning will be negative. Sometimes we ask questions. What causes people to remember? How do I remember what I've learned? How do I stop forgetting what I have learned so quickly? 1. Reinforce yourself. Every time you revisit the subject you are trying to learn, the more you reinforce the information into your mind, it becomes longer term memory. Give yourself a few moments and try to recall. Without looking at the study material, if you feel stuck, reread the formula, concept again and try to recall it again. It's also thinking what we have read. Positive self-concept. Before reading, let the reading be positive to mentor what channels into your brain. Also, enjoy the reading. Write down by hand what you want to remember. When you try to recall it in a day or two, write down again what you remember, then compare it to your original notes and find out how much you know. Quiz yourself on the information you just read. Come up with the questions and then assess yourself. Reduce the content that needs to be remembered. Summarize large pieces of information into smaller bits. Put them into context. They will be much easier to recall. Learn by formulating experiences. Practice and do a lot of repetition. Work within your brain, and creating experiences is the most powerful way to remember. You can also create them in your head to observe them and apply to real life. Avoid fear, never doubt yourself, and believe in yourself in what you are reading and be committed to your work. Balance your emotions when you are reading. Be sober. Make a lively screen timetable which you can easily manage. When reading, trust your instincts. Don't follow all the time what others are doing. Group discussion is all about teamwork, brings a lot of concern in learning, and always share what you know with others. It will automatically strengthen your remembrance. Thanks to those instructors who have sacrificed to be bridges to young learners in realizing their dreams. Some sessions have become heroes in the learning process, and some have produced competent professionals in the world. Inspirations. If you can't be careful right now with the time you have, you will later realize you are not even close to the person you want to be after learning process. Studying is not about passing, it's all about success and converging all your energy to it. You will never gamble with your time, but you can gamble with your success. Here, time is the most important factor and success depends on it. At the beginning, learners have the same opportunity, but the end will never be the same. The only factor which will bring out the difference is the sacrifice and commitment you made. It is not too late. Time will never be recovered, but somehow it can be replaced with the concentration and effort. It's all about you time.